Let us see in this video about temperature sensors. So we are going to see three temperature sensors or transducers. Those are thermocouple, RTD and thermistor. They are sensors and they can be converted to the transducer if you connect the external circuitry. So what is thermocouple? So first of all, thermocouple is an active transducer and RTD thermistor are passive transducer. Thermocouple doesn't need any external supply for its conversion of temperature to the electrical energy. RTD and thermistor requires the external voltage supply, so they are passive. So what is thermocouple? So when two metal wires of different temperature are joined together, so two metal wires when they are connected together, and suppose one junction is subjected to the high temperature or heat, then its temperature will be high in comparison with the other junction. And whenever there is a temperature difference, EMF is induced between these two junctions. So, in thermocouple, temperature is converted to the voltage or EMF. So what is thermocouple? It is consists of a pair of dissimilar metal wires joined together at one end, forming hot junction, and terminated at other end, known as cold or reference junction. When heat is applied to the hot junction, a temperature difference exists between hot and cold junction, causing generation of EMF. This is called Seebeck effect. What about RTD and thermistor? Here in RTD and thermistor, with respect to the temperature, their resistances changes. RTD is resistance temperature detector and thermistor is thermal resistor or thermally sensitive resistor. Let us see the difference between RTD, thermocouple and thermistor. So in RTD, single metal is used. In thermocouple, two dissimilar metals are used. In thermistor, metal oxides are used like manganese, nickel, copper, cobalt, iron, germanium. So let us see the how much temperature range is covered by these three. So here you can see the thermocouple can measure the highest temperature range in comparison, then RTD and then thermistor. So thermistor is lowest in measuring the in case of the temperature range. Now let us see the response time. Response time of thermistor is highest because it respond to the or it convert the temperature to the electrical energy in maximum 2.5 second, while the thermocouple will convert it into the 10 second and RTD in 50 second. So what is the accuracy? Accuracy is highest of RTD and it is lowest of the thermocouple. What is accuracy? Accuracy means desired difference between the desired and measured. Sorry, difference between the actual and the measured. So, what is that difference in case of RTD? It is up to 1 degree Celsius difference you will get. But in the thermocouple, it is 5 degree Celsius, and in the thermistor, it is 1.5 degree Celsius. So, till now, we have seen that the maximum temperature range is covered by the thermocouple, then response time is highest of the thermistor and accuracy is highest of the RTD. So RTD highest accuracy, response time highest of thermistor, temperature range highest of thermocouple. So thermocouple is active and RTD and thermistor are passive. So RTD has the positive temperature coefficient, that means its resistance increases with increasing temperature, and thermistor has negative temperature coefficient as well as positive temperature coefficient, that means its resistance can increase or decrease depending on whether it is NTC or PTC. So what is the characteristic between the temperature and the resistance change? It is linear in case of RTD, and in case of the thermistor it is non-linear. And EMF versus temperature in case of the thermocouple is also non-linear. So highest cost is of RTD. Then a thermocouple is susceptible to the noise and the RTD and thermistors are not susceptible to the noise. These are the differences between RTD between three temperature sensors.